Hi guys! It's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. Oh, my glasses. I tell you right now, I got so much glare happening on my glasses. But guys, hi! I'm back. I just want to take a moment to say thank you everybody that reached out to me. It really touched my heart and I was like, oh my God, where all these people came out of the woodwork. Where have you guys all been in my life? You made me feel so blessed, so loved, and yeah, let's kick this off, right guys? I'm back. No more sappy, well, I can't promise you anything, but I'm gonna keep my, why do I keep saying lives? I'm gonna keep my show happy and joyful and all about the art of crochet. So here I am, and I want to show you what I've made. And I don't know if any of you remember my good friend Gidget. Who remembers Gidget? She's back. Oh my goodness, I just noticed that I don't have her top on. Oops. Where did her top go, guys? Oh, anyway, let's move on with the show. Okay, so I made this poncho and I'm super, super proud about this poncho. This poncho, ladies and gentlemen, you heard it here first. It is heading all the way over to the UK. It is going in my suitcase and it is heading to Wales. Oh, that's right, guys. I am going to Wales. Flight is booked, thanks to my daughter and my son-in-law. Flight is booked. I'm heading out November 15th. Yeah, baby. So I made this poncho for my granddaughter, and I never even knew I was going when I made it. So I'm going to, I forget now. Yeah, I made it a while ago. I lost all my paperwork on it. I don't know, but I will link in the description box below the tutorial I followed. I just love it. So because she's not with me, I don't know sizes and that, right? It's very hard. It's very hard for me. You know, if you're physically with somebody, you can see and know and try it on. Well, I didn't have that opportunity. So I made, what have I done here? Oh, oopsie, I gotta sew that in. I thought I sewed all my ends in. Okay, so because I don't know what her, you know, her neck shape is, this, let me get rid of Gidget there. Because I really don't know her, you know, her head size and her neck size. I mean, sure, it's one thing to send, you know, send me measurements, but I don't know. I need to physically put it on somebody and physically put stuff on me. So, I mean, this does, see how big the neckline is? It does fit over me. And so my granddaughter won't need that big of a hole. So what I did was I just chained, I don't know how much. I chained an amount. And then as you can see, I've put it through, I can see here, the top, I'll call it a shelf. The top shelf of my, I know I'm coming up with words every day about things, aren't I? You guys know what it's called. Like when you start off with the chain and then you start your granny stuff. So I just put that through there. So when I get there, then it can be cinched up, right? Depending on her neck size, and then it'll grow with her. So, and I was going to do all the tassels and all that thing, but I thought, no, keep it simple for a little, what is she? She's 18 months old. 18 months? 18 months old? Oh my goodness, time flies. She'll be 2 at the end of March. Coming up this year. So, yeah, I thought, well, you know, we don't need tripping hazards, etc. And even these pom-poms now I'm finding, they're really heavy. These pom-poms are actually very heavy on this. So my daughter might end up cutting those pom-poms off. I mean, is it cute? Of course. Hello, it's so cute. But I think when you tie it, they kind of weigh. Maybe I should have made my chain thicker to hold the weight of these pom-poms. Yeah, so I just love it. And these are the colors. I don't know if you guys remember, my daughter wanted, what do you call that, dusty rose and like a sage green and that for her colors. And so I made her a caterpillar blanket and a caterpillar, and if I remember, I will, whatever side, I will link that or add it to my end of that, what I made. But anyway, I made this. I love it so much. And then, oh, she's gonna look so cute. Oh, and guys, she started ballet. She's in ballet classes. What's it called? Oh, the name of the ballet class is so cute. It ranges from 18 months to 2.5 years or something like that. Oh, and Chantal can't find ballet shoes small enough for her feet. So she just wears her little slippers. Anyway, Chantal was sending me video clips. I don't know if you follow my daughter on Instagram. She's, I'll link her below. She hasn't been putting up many YouTube videos. Well, you can tell she's a first-time mom. She's busy. And, yeah. But I've been seeing little Instagrams of my granddaughter doing her little ballet stuff. Oh, so cute. So to go with this poncho, I found a tutorial to make a hat to match. So there's my hat to match. And I'll link this tutorial underneath. Now what I'm thinking of doing is bringing my yarn. For this I used Schitt's Creek yarn. And I forget what this is. I lost the ball band, but it's one of those inexpensive yarns. I can't remember now. And then I also used Nako. I love this yarn, guys. I don't know if you saw my unboxing video from Mary Maxa, but I really love this. Not only because it's called, hello, Lisa in the name, Mona Lisa, but it's an anti-pilling yarn. I'm really enjoying working with this yarn. I really am. And also I use that in the cream. The cream color is the Nako as well. Okay, so I kind of went over there a bit. Where was I? Yeah, so I'm going to pack this yarn in my suitcase because I'm not sure the length of her head, and even though my daughter gave me a measurement of her head and that, I think once I get there, I will probably do, oh, you know that, what's that border called, guys, where you do the front loop, back loop kind of thing. You know, when you do hats and then they fold up and you got the bumpies, front loop, back loop thing, the chainy, I don't know. So I think I might have to when I get there, or maybe I'll do it now before, I don't know. But this is what it is. I love it so much. Isn't that cute? That is such a cute little set. I love it so much. Anyway, like I said, I will link the tutorial I followed for this and the tutorial I followed for this. Now that I'm thinking about it, I may do a thicker, chunkier, instead of just doing, yeah, I just did a chain. I think I might do a thicker chain to hold this up. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see. And yes, guess who's gonna be flying with me? Wonky Donkey and I are going to be hitting the airport, aren't we, Wonky Donkey? To meet up with baby Bethany. Yay! He's missed her so much. Okay, I'm going to let you guys go. Have a great weekend. Oh, and I did start, wait a minute. I did start another one. And I'm using a smaller hook. So I'm starting another one in these colors. Thought I'd give that a whirl. What is this yarn? Oh, I've got ball bands thrown about everywhere. Oh, this yarn is, I was gifted this from the United States. This Baby Bee Darling Deer. Look at that, isn't that pretty? And it's kind of bumpity. I don't know what you call this yarn. But anyway, I've got another one on the hook with this. Because the ones I made, this one were 4-weight yarn. So these are a light 3. I've got this on my hook now. And that's how you start it out. So, and you can make this hole as big as you want. But like I said, I'm not there, so I want to make sure she gets into it. So that's on the hook now, guys. And yeah, okay, I'll let you all go. I'm just babbling now. But thank you very much, everybody. I really appreciate you. And bye. See ya on the streets. Love you all. Bye.